Wow, do you want to learn how to cook this Ayamase sauce? Let's cook it together. Welcome to Lolly's channel. Let's cook Ayamase sauce together. Pepper from my supermarket, and I didn't know what to do with it, so I'm going to be using it to cook Ayamase. So let's go into it. For your Ayamase, you need your seasoning, any type of seasoning that you want to. You need crayfish. You need your locust bean, which is Iru. You need salt to taste. You need uh, dry fish. You might decide to use any protein that you want to. So today, for me, I'm going to be using dry fish. Is fresh. What do they call it? Stock fish and roasted. I just roast it in the my oven is grilled. So I'm using this stripe. The meat stripe is already boiled, and I'm using some goat meat. So you will see how we are going to process it. It's already boiled, and it's already boiled. So I'm having my pepper, that is the Scotch bonnet pepper. I have my Scotch bonnet pepper. I have my bell pepper, and I have this long pepper too. So, and I have onions. So I just want to show you my onions have already blended. I already have a blend onion. So this is my already blend onion. So I'm going to be using from this. I just want to show you what you need. So now I'm going to get this washed. And the most important thing, you need your palm oil. You need your palm oil, and you need eggs. So your eggs, you need to boil them. I've already boiled my egg. So I have eggs boiled already. So you need to boil your egg. So this is all that we're going to be needing for Ayamase. This is all you're going to be needing for it. So we're going to be blending the uh, pepper together, the Scotch bonnet, the long pepper, in it's called shombo. I don't know what it's called in English, and I don't want to Google now. So, and this, the bell pepper, the shombo, and the Scotch bonnet pepper. So I'll be blending all of them together, but it's not going to be smooth. It's going to be not well blended. Let me use the language, not well blended. Okay, let's get into it. So now I'm going to be blending. I'm using a smaller blender so that I won't have to add in water. I don't need the water, so I'm going to put them gradually. Meanwhile, you remember we said we don't want it very smooth. So I'm just going to be putting what my blender can take. So I'm going to add it in my pot. I want what is it called? The water to get dry. So I'm going to allow it to get dry. So I'm going to be Removing the shell of my eggs so that we get them ready. So what I'm going to be doing to my egg is I'm going to be punching it so that it still can go in. So you punch your egg. Okay. So you make sure that there is no water in your pot. Make sure there is no water. So I still have some water. I'm going to be, I'll still make it. So meanwhile, I got another pot that I'm not using often. So I'm going to be using this for my palm oil bleach. You need to bleach your palm oil. So I'm going to be using this for my palm oil bleach. So see as we will do it. My palm oil, you'll be generous with your palm oil. I didn't add all of this. It was a little left. So I'm going to allow my palm oil to bleach for a while, for at least 2 to 3 minutes. So you can see my oil is bleached. I'm going to put in, you see there's still color in it, so it's going to be bleached as if it is as if we're granite, as if it's your oil, your normal vegetable oil. So you allow it to bleach. So now I'm going to be taking it off the fire. It's ready now. I'm going to be taking it off the fire and allow it to cool for a little while so that you won't get yourself burnt or set your house ablaze. So we're still having some liquid in here. So now I'm going to be trimming my meat. I don't want them bulky. I'll get all of them trimmed with the stripe. Get everything trimmed. Okay, meanwhile this is ready. I'm putting in another pot in. I'm pouring my oil into the pot. And I'm going in to fry my beef. I just want it a little sauteed. Just leave them a little fried. Just a little bit to take it to the next level. So I'm removing it from. So now I'm going to be adding, I'll be going in with onions. I'll be going in with my iru. Iru is the locust beef. So I'm going to allow it for 2 or 3 minutes. So the next thing I will be going in with my crayfish. So just for 2 seconds, now I'm adding in my dry pepper. And allow it to fry. Honestly, the whole kitchen is on another level. Wow. So allow it to fry. You don't want it burnt, but allow it to. So I'm going to add in my broth, my for my goat meat. So I'm adding in the broth. So I'm going to be adding in my meat. Add in my fish. I'm not using everything. I end up adding everything. I'm still adding in a little more broth so that it can cook well. So I'm going to be covering it to simmer. Then I'll taste for salt. So I'm going to be adding in salt to taste. I'm adding just a pinch of salt. But my kitchen is so I'm testing for salt. Oh good. Wow. So now we're going to be adding in our egg. There is no Ayamase without egg. Add in your boiled egg. So you allow it to enjoy the sauce. So we're going to allow the everything to get together, to marinate together, to cook together, and give you the good oil on top. So let's allow it for the next 3 to 4 minutes. So it's ready now. The oil is already on top, everything. So I'm going to get my fire on. Turning off. Yeah. Thank you for staying with me till now. Please do give me a thumbs up, share, subscribe, turn off your notification bell. Wow, more to come, more of it, more to come, more to come, more cooking, more cooking. If you want to learn how to bake, stay on this channel. We'll be dropping cakes every month, cake tutorial every month, recipe tutorial every month. Thank you. God bless you. Bye.